XREXS makes alarm clocks. These are awesome alarm clocks. They're great for offices, places that you need to display time if you have trouble seeing a nice large alarm clock. Like here in the office, on the desk, on the wall. It all depends on the walls you have that you can hang this up. So let's get a nice close-up look at what you get. The wall desk clock with the alarm, date, time, temperature. A cord that is over 6 feet long. A remote control with included batteries that were installed. So please make sure you take the batteries out first. Pull the plastic protection off the battery. They come with supplied batteries for the actual backup, 2 of them. And we're plugging in the cable, and we're going to quickly turn this clock over for you. This is the sensor for a lot of things. And as soon as we get this plugged in, turning the clock over. Within about 10 seconds or so, it will automatically set to your area. It's looking for the correct zone and everything. It's 77 degrees, and this will automatically correct to the right zone. It's 7:36 on a Sunday, 77 degrees, 8:21. There we go. If you see a little flicker, that's because it's adjusting to the level here. And if the camera shows this flickering, fluctuating, I do apologize. We can turn off and on the screen by the upper left button. We have a set button that's going to go through English, daylight savings time, the year, the month, the days, the hour, the minute, and fully set. The same thing goes with the alarm on the right-hand side. You can set the alarm up if you like. You have a 12-24 hour, Fahrenheit, Celsius. You have an up and a down. You have a minute, a second, and an hour to set your timer by hitting the center button. As you can see me going through and setting things up. If I hold it down, it's going to increase fast. We have a volume up and a volume down for the audible. We have a timer reset by simply pressing. And we have here is a light increase and decrease, about a number of levels. On the back of the unit, about over here, these 2 buttons, if you press them together quickly once, it resets. You have all the buttons here. It's a very simple clock, and you want to get back to the actual time. Just hit the enter exit button. It's a beautiful clock. It's a white light background with a nice green background. And maybe one day we could just see the intervals of 5 seconds be locked for date only and temperature only. It's a lot this clock can do, and it's great for the wall, great for your desk, great for offices, places you have exams, and so forth. The timer could count up and a timer could count down. It's a very simple timer to operate. Now, if I have to operate the timer, I guess I would just hit one of the buttons to get it to go. Timer stop over here. So as it counts up and you finish 10 seconds, you just point the remote and stop. And this has a pretty good distance to go. I'm not sure how to get the counter to go down, but that's where the instruction manuals do come into play. If I was to go to 1 minute, I would reset. Then I would go 1 minute, and then I'll go start, and then we'll count down. Counting up is from 0. Counting down is from the time you place in. I hope this product will be right for you and what you want to use. When the counter stops to 0, it will alarm you with a nice beep. On that note, I want to thank you very much for your time, and I hope you enjoy your clock if this is right for you.